When ChemThug uncurdled milk, somebody commented that this is actually how you make milk paint, and I was skeptical. So I tried it. Paint is just pigments mixed together with a binder to help it stick together and stick to a surface. And milk contains casein proteins, which can act as that binder. But it is too dilute as is. So I first curdled it using vinegar and then strained out all the whey and all the other stuff I don't need. Basically, I made cheese. This is cheese paint. Then I uncurdled it with a little bit of borax. Now I have a protein-rich solution that does look a little bit like milk, but is much more concentrated. Add it to the pigment, and incredibly, this worked. It looks like paint, and yeah, I can paint with it. The casein binder is durable, adherent, and elastic, helping keep the pigments where I put them. Now, egg yolks also have protein. And in theory, this is supposed to be even more straightforward to use than milk. I mixed egg yolk with a splash of water to thin it out, and then just a little bit of vinegar to keep it from going bad. Not enough that it should denature the egg. I mixed all of that into the pigment, and yeah, this worked really easily. Now I have tempera paint, a middle school art staple. I'm actually kind of shocked at this point by how much this really is paint and not just like colored egg goop. Conservation studies have suggested that some of the masters like DaVinci and Botticelli and Rembrandt used egg yolk paints in their works, and those have lasted for centuries. Now, I don't think that my equally as good masterpieces are gonna stick around for quite so long, but I am gonna hang them up and see if I did really make paint or if these start to turn into smelly trash over the next month. It does smell slightly of egg, but I am so sensitive to egg that I think that's a me problem.